yellow flag. It means tropical storm. Could be a tropical storm. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and see all this thing flies over here and go from here. Alright guys. Now we're gonna see if this guy can handle the breeze. Alright. I mean right now it's not really blown like crazy yet. But we're gonna go ahead and figure it out. This guy can handle it. Never been done before. Wow. Here you go. See that? Wow. Oh, you see what I'm talking about? You will lose it. He doesn't have the bottom sensing, is not strong as Tello. I have to go far. Wow. Sorry about that. He can't make it. He's barely making it, guys. So yeah, this is not a wind resistance. No, it can't handle. It's barely surviving. You guys gotta see my throttle later on when you guys see this. All I want you to do is take some good video. Yeah, so it's all manual here. Yeah, and it's shaky too, and they give you all this warning. Wow. Yeah, it's not aerodynamic enough as a Tello. See, I have to constantly hold my throttle. You guys will see this in the video when I post it. So let me see if we can record. All I want to do is record. So yeah, it's shaking. It's barely, see? I have to hold it. So sorry, guys. Yeah. Sorry. I can't handle the wind. Yeah. He can't handle the wind, guys. Look at that. Come back. He can't. So I already give you guys demonstration what this guy can do. Maybe with the props, I'll see. I'll go ahead and change it. Use Tello props. Maybe they will help, but it's not helping with this kind of wind. You will lose it if you don't know what you're doing. This thing is gone. It's gonna go bye-bye. So yeah, it's barely, like, it's not stable. You can't even hover. See, I can't. Wow. Yeah. Nope. Anyway, guys, I already got a kind of like a low battery. Oh, he can't handle. I gotta go land. Yeah, I can't. See that? It's drifting. Here you go again, one more time. It's drifting. One more time. It's drifting. I gotta hold it. Yeah, the bottom sensing is not working. I'll tell you guys what's going on with that. So Again, thank you for watching, and I do appreciate it. I can't even land in my hand. See. First crash. But anyway, it can't handle. So again, right now, you see that flag? That's not even red. It's color or yellow. Tella went to a red flag before with the DJI Mavic Air. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I really do appreciate it again. Thank you. Wow, can't handle it. Well, again, I just want to say thank you for watching my video, and I most likely post this thing for you guys to decide which one, and I just want what's best for you. And like, before you buy any drone or anything, you should see my review before you start purchasing it, because you can actually save your money, or you don't want to waste your time buying something that is not even worth it. So again, thank you, I appreciate it.